Hello traders, welcome to Tradewill, amazing platform where you can trade your forex pairs, crypto pairs, indices, commodities, as well as all sort of stocks. Right now, in today's video, we're actually going to be talking about how you can actually trade crypto on this platform, guys. Now, how do you actually do this? It's very clear and very simple. First thing you need to do is to acknowledge that this is actually one of the best brokers in the market, the best amazing platforms that you can trade with little spreads. Okay, meaning when you open a position and close it, you're going to be charged so little for doing that. Okay, in crypto, we call them the maker and taker fees. But anyway, that's by the way. Now, right here, we have the crypto colon. Let me just show you. We have this crypto colon. If I tap on it, you're going to see all crypto pairs trading against the US dollar or USDT tethered right now. So we have all of them right here, all the pairs. Now, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to just select one. I'm going to select BTC. Okay, I'm going to select Bitcoin. And when I want to buy, I'll just come here, then open an order. You can see we have market order, we have limit order. Now the market order basically is going to be showing you that it's going to actually show how you open a trade at the current market price. Okay, we can select our lot size like this. Okay, I have about $500 here. All right, now select our lot size, how much we're risking on this trade. It's going to be showing right here. Now, once you select your lot size, you put your take profit, the amount you want the price to get to before you close the trade. You just put it here. Let's say we want to take this trade to 111,000 and our stop loss is about 108k. I'll put my stop loss here, 108,000. Now, for my volume, my lot size, if I increase this, you can see I'm risking more, right? So I'm just going to leave it at 0.20. I'll click on buy. Position opened. I've opened this position. All right, this is how to trade crypto right here in tradewill.com. Now, use the link in the description of this video so you get $100 cash back as you deposit your first. As you make your first deposit, you get 100% of that. Use the link in the description of the video so that you can enjoy these kind of amazing bonuses and rewards. This is MJ Crypto. We're going to be posting more videos on Tradewill, and don't forget, a trading challenge is starting very soon. So link is in the description of the video for you to join. You can join via Telegram, you can join via WhatsApp. Doesn't really matter. All right, as long as you stay consistent and you follow every single thing that we do. One love to you guys. One love, one love, one love. Peace out. And before I forget, lest I forget. Okay, see, this is the trade we took. I'm already in plus $270 profit. All right, I'm already in plus $270 profit. And if I want to close this trade, all I have to do is just come here, click on close, and basically that's just it. Now, in the next video, I'll show how to actually use a limit order. All right, I'm going to show how to use a limit order to get into trades. Yeah, it's that simple. Limit orders, basically, you're actually telling the platform that you want to buy when the price comes lower. All right, so I'm going to show you that as well how to actually activate that in next video. Yeah.